InPro exposed edge wall panels provide high-impact protection with effortless style when combined with trim. These panels have the look of wood with maximum durability, which means no chipping, scratching, or repainting. Like real wood, these panels are easy to measure, cut, and install in the field. Designed with a balanced construction, these panels feature an additional vinyl backing, which prevents the panels from warping over time. Finish with reveal, flush, or fine line aluminum trim to hide exposed edges for a sleek and complete system. Designed with versatility in mind, choose from our Palladium rigid sheet finishes. Or personalize your space with custom artwork or branding with Aspects printed panels. Use exposed edge panels to create feature walls, lobby accent walls, and head walls. Visit inpro.com for samples and design inspiration.